values are there, just with the comma separations. But the major property of the sets are like when we are talking about the sets, so sets do not follow indexing. It means by default, it does not follow the indexing. So if indexing is not followed, so here everything is going randomly. Means random indexings are there. So if there are no indexing, so random data organizations are there. Okay. Because you cannot capture that particular index to work, right? It will not allow duplicates also. No duplicates allowed in sets. So inside sets, it do not follow the indexing. Randomly data organization is there. No duplication is there, right? And because there is no indexing also, so you cannot capture the particular element. It can show any random element, and it is immutable also. Immutable means you cannot change that particular element. Randomly it is working. It is not capturing anything. So, but still it is there, one of the data structures. So it will not allow duplicates. Suppose here I am having a set. So suppose I am making a set here. So here, wait, just a moment. If I'm creating a sets here I can create, first of all, see, sets can be created with two modes. Okay, like you had learned about a list, this square brackets you are learning, in tuples, round brackets, in dictionaries, these one, right? These symbols you are writing. In sets, what we can do, I can write here this one also, and second thing, in this way also. Both are, we can organize the sets here. So here, if I'm writing here, see the structure. Curly braces are there, but like there's no key value pair. In dictionary, remember yourself here in dictionaries that we are having a key value pair, but here it is not. Here I can make the sets of the structure just like 11, 12, 13, 14 in this way, right? So you can work it. Even you can work set these bracket also, and here you can write your elements. Now let's suppose I'm writing any set here. You can take any set here. Let's say suppose I'm having a set, I'm writing a set here. S is equal to curly, these curly brackets, and here I'm writing the elements. But I am repeating the elements. See, suppose I'm writing here 22, 19, 17, 5, 22. Suppose this is a set. In sets I'm writing it. So 22 is repeated now. 22 is repeated here and here. But see, if I'm writing the list, suppose this is a list 1, and here I'm writing the same, this one, 22, 19, 17, 22. Suppose I'm writing it. What answer you will get in list? In list, you are getting 22, 19, 17, 22, right? But what about in sets? If you're writing it here, you will be getting 22, 19, 17, 5. That's all. No repetition of 22 again. But in list, you will be getting the repetition. So that's why I had said that when we are talking about the sets, no duplicates are allowed. It will not allow you to refer the duplicates. You can write, but in answer you are not getting. But in list, you are, whatever you are writing, the same one is reflection here. Hai na? But here this is a key difference, right? So no duplicates are allowed. Immutables also, you cannot change it. You cannot change any item assigned. If you are saying what is the data at the first indexing, suppose you want to change this data to 100, okay? So it will not do that work. Okay, it will not support it, simple way, because indexings are not possible in sets. So let's say Here we are making the sets, you can see. Sets. Sets. A Python set is a collection of the unordered item. Each element in the set must be unique. Unique you are getting? Unique means there is no duplicacy. Unique, immutable, you cannot change it once after the creation because you're not accessing the indexing. So that is a major problem here. And the sets remove the duplicate element. So duplications are not allowed. Sets are immutable, which means you cannot modify even after the creation. Just like in tuples, it is happening. You cannot modify the same one is here, right? You can see here, suppose I'm making any set. You can give any name, that is up to your desires only. You can do anything there. Here you can see this one. Line number 1, see this one. X is equal to sets. I had told you, see, don't be confused with the dictionaries and the set. You can say, ma'am, in dictionaries also you are writing these curly braces, but in dictionaries we are having the key value pair, na? But here there is no key value, right? But yes, you have to write it this way, right? So X is equal to curly braces, you can write any element. You can try it, right? Second mod, you can write in this way also, line number 2. This is also valid. So it means you can write the set with curly these braces also, or you can write the keyword set is there, this bracket, and then inside it square brackets are there. These are also valid. Means both two are okay here, right? So here you can write it. Both are okay. First, let me explain the things, then only you want to do hands-on, means you can do later on, okay? Now you can see, suppose duplicacy I am talking about. That set does not allow the duplicacy. So you can see here, yeah, good afternoon, just a moment. See here, this one. Now see this one, line number 3, this one. If I'm writing here duplicacy, 22, 33, 56, 78, 90, 90, see, 90, 90 are duplicate, 22 is duplicate and 22 is duplicate. But it will appear only one time. 22, 33, 56, 78, 90. It means it will not allow you for the duplications as well. Okay? No duplicate element. Only one time. Unique. We call it a unique. So it will allow only unique value. One time values are. You can write these way also. You can give any numeric values or the string values as well. You can do that also. So here you can see, suppose you are writing days here, right? Suppose I am giving any day or any planet or any week, weeks also you can put, means month you can put there. Here I am putting, what is the type? It is saying it is a set type. Now let's say I want to add certain data. So here there is an add method. There is a predefined add method. Earlier in list you had learned about the update append method. Here add method is there. Days.add, because what is the name of the set? Days. Days.add, I want to add the Sunday because here Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday are there. I want to add Sunday. According to me, it should be added here at the end, but it is not there. It is adding add random anywhere because no indexing is there. So that's why Monday, Sunday, Thursday, anywhere it is adding, right? You do not have a control here. Second thing, come here. Suppose, let's say, suppose I'm saying that Monday is on 0 indexing, 1 indexing, 2 indexing, 3 indexing. Okay, or I can say, okay, it is updated 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Suppose these are the new indexing here. Right. So if I want to see a particular indexing, then what is the value? So here it should show me Monday now, but here it is saying set object does not support indexing. So indexings are not supported. Because indexings are not there, you cannot update it. So see here, days 1. Suppose right now the data is at the 1st position. Let me think that, okay, Sunday is there. I want to change it with June. or any other value. So June is there, 1, it is there. Set object does not support item assignment. Item assignment means it is not allowing you. Right? It is not allowing you. Means the point is overall here, unique values, no indexing, immutable property. Right? Now, remove method you have to use to remove any element, because pop will not work, because if it is even work, but it is taking the data randomly, you cannot provide the indexing here. So remove is working, pop is working, but from anywhere it is picking the data. In remove, you are giving Sunday, so Sunday is removed. But in pop, if I think that it should delete from the backend, it is not there. It is deleting from any, because there is no indexing. That's why. Clear method is there to clear the sets, right? So now you can do hands-on. Just you can go ahead with this hands-on if you want. Okay. Go ahead with a hands-on, or you want to note down, or you want to revise, that is up to you. I'm waiting here on the screen, and I'm silent also. See. Here, like you're asking, sets are immutable, then how we can add the value in set? See, add means you are adding the value. So that could be added. Mutable means, mutable means you are changing the internal element. Means, suppose, let's say, suppose this is there. Okay. So suppose days and 0. If I want to change it, this one with July, if I want to do that, so that is not possible. So because indexings are not there, so that's why sets are immutable. But you can perform add. You can do that also. You can do. Set word is required to write the sets. And inside the type, you can give the set name, whatever set name is there. If this is a set name, you can give it. Type days, so it is saying it is a set data type. Okay. Loops are basically continuous iteration. Loops are basically continuous iteration of a particular statements. So suppose I want to execute certain statements continuously, number of times. So there I can take the assistance of the loops. Okay, so here certain statements get executed continuously in the iteration, and there is a specific condition till those number of statements will be executed number of times. So let's say when I'm talking about the loops, so there are basic loops are inside the Python. They are the while loop and the for loop. They are very fundamental loops here. So whenever I'm talking about the while loop or for loop, so there is a specific syntax of working with these loops, and let's understand in detail how these loops are working here. Suppose how to write it. So when I'm talking about the while loop here, while loop, because I'm going to do everything step by step. So first I'm taking only while loop. So here in while loop, there are certain conditions I have to specify. First of all, the very first step I have to write the initialization. Initialization number 1. Second thing, I have to write the condition. Condition. And the third thing, I have to write the increment. These 3 things I have to write: initialization, condition, and the increment. Now here in initialization, I have to write any variable name you can just write as an initialization. So here I'm taking I is equal to 0. I can take it with 0 or 1. So let's see, I'm taking I is equal to 0. So let's understand the step by step. I is equal to 0. Second thing, I have to write the condition. See the condition I'm writing now. So what is the condition here? I'm writing the condition while is a keyword here. While I is less than 5. What is the condition? This is a condition. While I is less than 5. So it means I'm saying just run this condition while loop till I is less than 5. So when I is equal to 0, I1, I2, I3, I4. Till then, till this condition is true, you can run the loop. Else it will stop it. Now here I'm writing the statement. A very simple statement here I'm writing. Print I. That's all. Simple. Now, this is a statement. This is a normal statement. Okay. And here I have to give the colon. I'll tell you why colon are giving. Because we have to give the indentation. Indentation means as soon as I'll write it, I is equal to 0, while I is less than 5, colon, then automatically my statement will be coming inside the while loop. This print statement will be coming inside it. This is the indentation, means print is the part of while loop. Now, here I'm writing the increment. So let's write the increment. So for the increment, I'm writing I is equal to I plus 1. So here I'm saying every time make the I plus 1. So only 1, 2, 3, 4 lines I'm writing in a very simple way. Now here, let's see how it is executing. Let's take a step by step. You be careful now. I is equal to 0. So first time what will happen? I is equal to 0. The value is I is equal to 0. It will come inside the loop. It will check. I is less than 5. Is it true? Is it true? So I value is what? You also know 0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. It is true. Let's move inside the loop. So these are the loops. This entire one are the loops. So it will come inside the loop because the condition is true. If the condition is true, it will move inside the loop. Now here it will say, what is the value of I? It is print I 0. Right now 0 is there, no? 0, 0. So it will print 0. First time. Now it will come inside the increment. It will do the increment. Increment means 0. The value of I is 0 plus 1. What is the value of I new value? Updated value. 0 plus 1 is always 1. You also know. Now I value is 1. It will move up. It will move up here. The new value of I is 1. 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. Is it true? Yes, it is true. 1 is less than 5. So let's move inside the loop. So it will come again inside the loop. It will print the value of I. What is the new value of I? 1, print 1. Print I means 1. Again, it will say, here, see this one, 0. Now see, what is the new value of I? What is the new value of I? Because I is 1, na? So write here the new value of I, this I value. What is the new value? 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? Everybody know? 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I value is 2. Now again it is going 2. Again it will check the condition with 2 value. It is looking what is the new value? It is 2. 2 is less than 5. Now you can also think, na? 2 is less than 5. True. It is true that 2 is less than 5. So till the value is true, loop will be continued. So 2 is less than 5, true. Come inside the loop. Print the value of I. What is the value of I? 2. Now next, the value of I is 2. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. I value is 3 now. Now it will move again above. Okay. So it will moving again above here, right? So it will check it out. I is less than 5 because it is I is less than 5. Value is 3 now. So here it will check 3. The value of I is 3. 3 is less than 5. Yes, it is true. The value of 3 is less than 5. It is true. So now come again inside the loop. What to do inside the loop? Print I. Print I. Print the value of I 3. Now again here, the value of I is 3. 3 plus 1. What? 4. The new value of I is 4. Come here. 4 is less than 5. True. If it is true, come inside the loop. Print I. Print 4. See the output. These are the outputs. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come here. 4 plus 1. 5. The new updated value is 5. Now you tell me. 5 is less than 5. It is false. 5 is less than 5. It is false. As soon as the value is false in condition, no more iteration. Iteration will stop. So it will not move inside the loop. No. It will come outside. Over. Loop is over. And this will be the output. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 output. So remember, in while loop, these condition, till this condition is true, your iteration will be there, otherwise it will stop. Right? Simple way. Very simple way here. So now let's do hands-on. I'm going to do hands-on and let's see how easily I can do all these things. Here I'm coming. Now see here how I'm writing the basic statements. First of all, I have to write the initialization. You can write the insert syllable loops. You can make a heading. You can make a heading, please. Okay. I'm writing the very first one here. Initialization you have to write. So I'm making it in comment. Comment initialization. I'm doing my initialization. I is equal to 0. Okay. Now, second thing, I have to write the condition. So here I'm writing the condition now. Condition here. Comment will not execute. No, comment will not execute. This is just for my reading. I want to read it. What is this? Okay. Right. Okay. So here initialization I is equal to 0. Condition is there. Condition I have to say there that so I will write the while loop here. While is a keyword. While is a keyword. While I is less than 5. Now see here. I am writing the colon. Now see, be careful, colon. if I'm not writing it, means as soon as I'm writing the colon, so here you can see automatically my cursor will be placed here. And if I'm not writing this colon, these words, this colon, see, error will be there. I'll be showing you how the error will be generating, indentation error. Suppose I'm writing it here, C. Print, automatically it is coming here, print I. Okay, getting? And if this is the correct way, but if I'm removing it. Let's see. I'm removing it, and here I'm writing, I'm removing the colon, and see, directly I'm writing. Where my print is going? Print is coming here. This is wrong. This is wrong. So because these are loops, I have to follow the right syntax of the loop. So come here, colon, right here, print, and here I will just write print I. Okay. Now here I have to give the increment. Increment means +1. +1 I have to do. So what I'll do, I is equal to I plus 1. Every time I will be incremented by 1, +1, +1, +1, +1 in this way. Right? Over. Okay. So only 4 lines. That's all done. That's all. That's all. If somewhere you are losing anything, you will be into the error. I'm writing it here that what is it? I'm writing it here that this is what here. This one. Hash increment. Increment. Okay. Now see, I'm running it. Okay. How it is running. How it is giving the answer. So what is happening? Every time I is equal to 0, I is less than 5. So every time you have to print the I. So this print is coming here and it is incrementing this I value. It is giving 0 plus 1. So the new I will be 1. So again this I is checking 1 is less than 5. True. If it is true, again it is printing this I 1. Then again it is incrementing 1 plus 1, 2. So this 2 is being compared in condition I is less than 5, 2 is less than 5. It is true. Again it will come here in loop. Then again it will print the value of I as the 2. So this process will goes on. But as soon as this I value is coming as 5, so 5 is less than 5, it is false. As soon as this condition is false, automatically your loop will be ends. Done. No more loop. Okay, you have